Okay, so the last question for this says that 2 players are chosen at random to win an award. Okay, what is the probability that both players chosen are New Zealanders aged between 21 and 25 years old? Okay, so let's think first of all about the first person that we pick. So we're looking at ages 21 to 25-year-olds, and New Zealander. So that would be this group here. And we're picking them from random from the total. So the probability of picking the first one, the chance of getting the first Kiwi out of that group that's in that age group, would be 20 out of 110. Okay, so we've got that first person out, and then we're going to select another one. What is the chance that we're going to select another New Zealander aged 20 to 25? So first of all, we have to consider the fact that the first person is this, the second person that we select, we've only got a pool of 109 now. Okay, so we've taken away one person out of this pool. Now we've also taken away one of the 20, so we've only got 19 that are aged between 21 and 25 years old as well. So we've got 19 of them. So the probability that we select the first one would be 20 out of 110, and then of selecting another one, the second probability would be that. Now, because we're considering the chance of it happening like twice, we have to multiply them together. So think about this one as, you're thinking about the probability of rolling 2 6s in a row. So the first time you roll a 6 is 1 6. The second time you roll a 6 is another 6. The probability of rolling 2 of those is, you've only got one chance of rolling 2 of those out of 130, out of 36. Okay, so the same idea. We have to multiply it together to figure out the probability of it both happening, because it decreases in probability the second time around considerably, because it's just such a small chance that that's going to happen. Okay, so 20 out of 110 times 19 out of 109 is going to give us, as a fraction, 38 out of 1199, or we can turn that into 0.0317. Okay, so remember that the probabilities, if you can either leave them like this is fine, or if you're going to turn them into a decimal, make sure you put 3 decimals, make it more accurate. Okay. Now for this particular question, if you get this correct, that would give you a U, or if you realize that it was that would also give you a U. So one or either of those. If you figured out that it was, if you kind of didn't decrease this bottom number here, or didn't decrease the top number for the second time around, then you could get a merit for it. So if you didn't take away the person that you've already taken out, and still figured out the full probability of it, you would have gotten something, a little bit different. It still would have been 0.3. Then you still would have gotten, a merit for that. Or if you didn't show your working at all and got this at the end, so if you didn't show your working, you could still get a merit. But if you want to show all your working, justify it through all this, and then get the right question, that is actually an excellent answer. So, it's worth actually thinking about how to do that. All right, so that's the end of the paper. Good luck.